What is the best and most affordable car insurance? The cheapest auto insurance always depends on two things: you and the car you want to insure. Insurance rates are determined by risk, and if you keep your car and you at low risk, your rates will be lower. When searching for the best deal, keep in mind that comparing rates is only the beginning of the process. Talk to agents about discounts for better deals, and use preventative measures to keep your costs at minimum. Compare insurance companies. The easiest way to find the cheapest auto insurance is by starting with a comparison. This is usually done on the internet. Many companies and/or websites will allow you to put in your information and get instant quotes from several companies. Choose the insurance package that is the minimum required for your state, and go from there, adding the options you desire. An agent may have the cheapest auto insurance. Many times after ordering insurance on the internet, a letter is issued with a corrected amount. This can be because the state was wrong in the system, the driving records weren't checked, or all of the car information wasn't correct. An agent is usually more reliable when the actual purchase of auto insurance is made. They will also be upfront about discounts when you ask. Discounts: always ask an agent for a list of available discounts. Even if you don't qualify for them, you should still ask for a list. You may be able to take a quick class, or install a cheap alarm system in your car, to get the cheapest auto insurance. If you haven't purchased a vehicle yet, and are still shopping around, ask an agent what the cheapest vehicles are to insure, and start your search for a new car. All of them and none of them. Ads are not factual information. Calling Geico is not guaranteed to save you anything. In fact, calling any specific company is not guaranteed to save you anything. Looking for a quick, easy solution to avoid shopping it around is fiction. Since prices for each and every company out there changes from zip code to zip code, and differences in age, sex, marital status, driving record, how many drivers on the policy, how many cars on the policy, and the specifics of year, make, model and submodel will all individually affect the price. Oh yeah, and whether you have a prior insurance policy and for how long you have had it with the same company will affect your pricing. Too many variables for one company to be the best for everyone regardless of their situation. Call several independent insurance agents who represent multiple companies each, and try to find agents representing different companies, because if they represent the same companies you will be getting the same quotes. We comprehend you need to set aside cash. Who doesn't? However, we additionally need to ensure that you, your vehicle, and your job are canvassed in case of a mishap. One of the best ways to get cheap car insurance is by comparing car insurance quotes, and the companies offering them. To get you started, NerdWallet looked at car insurance prices across the country for different driver profiles and coverage levels to find the cheapest rates. We've sliced the data in several ways to give you an idea of average costs and what factors might nudge your car insurance rate up, or even better, down. That is the reason we're centered around helping you comprehend your inclusion choices, limits to enable you to spare, and how to get you the most moderate vehicle protection quote for what you need out and about. There are various simple ways you can save money on vehicle protection, both short and long haul. Keeping up a spotless driving record, obtaining a vehicle with qualified well-being highlights, and having more than one family unit driver and vehicle on your strategy would all be able to bring down your auto rate. Become familiar with the entirety of the manners in which you can insure yourself and your premium inside our auto training space. One cannot pinpoint and say that is the best car insurance. It depends on the needs and the budget of an individual. Nowadays, various companies are competing with their competitors to provide the best service possible. The customer needs to choose insurance that suits his needs the best, and that is budget-friendly. The customers also seek convenience. The insurance company should provide convenience to the customer in the form of apps, easy access, customer service, and other such features. To choose the best car insurance, you can follow the steps mentioned. Do your research, know your needs, compare plans of various companies, check for an added bonus, set budget. I would suggest one do a thorough research while choosing car insurance. It requires an in-depth study and patience to find the right insurance. A proper car insurance reduces your financial stress in case of an accident or damage to your car. It also provides monetary for hospital or medical bills in case of an accident. To name a few best insurance companies: Liberty General, Bajaj Allianz and HDFC Ergo. These insurance companies also have mobile apps for customer convenience.